All right, in this video, I'm going to explain what a link tree is, how to set one up, and why you should set one up. Well, let's go. On TikTok, you only get one link if you actually get that option. Some people don't, and I still have yet to know why some people don't have it while others do. It's not because you had 1,000 followers. It's not because of your pro account. It's random. I have no clue why. Also, other people have an email on there. What? Anyway. The reason why is because on TikTok, if you do have that availability to be able to put your HTML URL code on there or your link that you want to put, you only can put one. You can't put like your YouTube, your Twitch, your whatever you want to put on there, like the world, whatever it is, your Facebook page, everything, right? Well, you could put a link tree URL in there and then put in your link tree all your other URLs. So that way, like, you only have to have one link to direct everyone to everything that you have so they can look at it like a list. Like, oh, I should follow them on Twitter, but I don't do Instagram. I'll scroll past that. Oh, you got YouTube? Let's see what you got. Oh, you do Twitch too? Let's follow you on there. That's what Linktree is about. And it's really simple. And we're going to go to this side and watch how it's done. First, you're going to go to linktr.ee. It's going to load up and look like this, right? Now what we're going to do from here is we're going to sign up for free up on the top right? I'm going to blurt this out, but you pretty much just fill it out. So I'm going to fill out with my alt account and we'll get it in. I'm going to put Harps or something, whatever. Then register, right? Once you register, you choose what it is, and you're an influencer more than likely. You might do, I do podcast radio, I do education, I do gaming esports. Pretty much, you just pick whatever comes to you. Okay, hello, learning session, right? I am not a robot. Save details. Why are you here? Okay, I'll just get rid of that. And then here, yeah, it's asking for a pro, which you get some cool benefits with it. Like, you don't need pro. Don't worry about that. You can read it. You can get some cool quirks, but you don't need it. Continue with free, right? Thanks for signing up. Continue. Now you're at this screen. At this screen, all you do is literally click add new link, and I'm going to put enter title YouTube, right? Then I'm going to put the URL https://www.youtube.com/FinalHarps. And then that's it. Done. Now when you look at here, this is what it's going to look like. Open a new link, and this is where it's going to bring you. Check that out. Isn't that so cool? And you could put anything in here, and you could put add a new link. Okay. Twitter, right? Type in the URL, https www.twitter.com/fi. If I could type, and then that's it. And it'll pop up over here. Here's Twitter, open a new link. And now it's going to open up my link. Right? So simple and cool, right? Now, what's cool about this is that all you got to do is make this and then get your verification, which mine is this. I made this my link. And this is the link you'll share everywhere. So now I'm going to plug this link in. So Linktree / Harps Lolo, because I was weird. Control C, put into a new page, and look at that. It looks like this. And you saw how fast that was and how easy it was to set up. So what you do is this link that is right here on the top right hand corner, you put that into your YouTube bio, and it brings you to whatever you put on your link tree. That's it. That's how you make a link tree. It is that simple to get all your URLs, all your social medias, and anything you want extra on there into one link. Yeah, it takes a few minutes to set up, but you saw how fast that was. That was really quick, really fast, really easy, and it'll help your true fans, your true followers who want to follow you on all platforms find you easier, find you faster in other platforms without asking you, hey, do you have this? Hey, you have that? You could be like, link trees in bio, check it out. And that's it. Now you know how to use a link tree, and it's actually a very useful tool. Well, with that being said, hope you learned something new. Have a good day, and bye-bye.